don't marry an auto mechanic because by the time they hit 50, 60, they all burned out.
Really? My ex-boyfriend was a mechanic. He taught me a lot of stuff. I feel like fix my car myself.
Well, you know, I could give you the tools and you can fix the car yourself if you want. I said, this is what's bad, change it. Get going. Alright. No shave here.
Yeah.
Freedom!
Get a shot of like the spray paint.
I'm making a video.
Okay.
Say something cool.
Freedom!
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
This is our ode to the Berlin Wall for the anniversary, the 20th anniversary of the Berlin Wall falling. Tomorrow we have our tea party, our very big event, our very big tea party here in Orange County, because this is the end of the Tea Party Express. They ended it here in Orange County, so let's say something about Orange County. It's a big deal. And here we are making our centerpiece for the event. This is the centerpiece. This is going to catch eyes. It's going to catch people.
Put right and left equals the same.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Right versus left.
Right, left.
Right versus left. Wrong. It's us versus them, or it's
No.
Right versus left equals wrong.
right versus left is wrong.
There you go.
And it's American citizens versus the government. And then right under that we put a big anarchy sign. So here's what we have so far. We've got end conditioning, no Patriot Act, no war, end the Fed. This wall is everything we want to end. Treason. This is an ode to the Berlin Wall. We want to end corporatism, debt equals slavery. We want to end cap and trade, no war, end the welfare warfare state. All that. And the bailout.
And this here says 20th Century Communism, 100 million dead. That's true.
These are guilty hands.
What's the answer to communism?
1776.
Liberty, baby. Freedom.
Yeah.
Free markets. How did communism die? Freedom won.